It's time!
Welcome back, Home Warrior Nation. I'm Mr. Morales, and welcome back to another edition of Physical Education at Home, where today we are doing a simple morning workout. That's right, 7 minutes to get you started on your day, especially if you know you're not gonna have time to work out later. So I don't wanna waste any time. Just know this, we're doing 7 sets of 1 minute work with 15-minute rest in between. We're gonna start with a morning stretch and move on to basic exercises that we can do to get our body going in the morning. So now you know what time it is. It is time to face our fears, overcome obstacles, and remind ourselves that hard work always pays off. It is time for warrior mode. So let's go. That's better. Okay, boys and girls, so it is time for our morning workout routine. So come on. Okay, boys and girls, up first is our bridge reach over stretch. Now, one mistake I made a couple of times is, boys and girls, make sure that your feet are flat on the floor so that you can get a nice stretch on your hamstrings. Come on, you got this. Work on our lower body, because up next are squats. Remember, boys and girls, make sure your knees stay behind your toes as you're going down. Come on, Home Warrior Nation, you got this. Upper body, because up next are push-ups. So remember, boys and girls, you are keeping your own pace. Do as many as you can and then rest for the rest of the time. Come on, let's do this, Home Warrior Nation. Body as we do lunges. Remember, boys and girls, form over flash. We do it correctly so we get the most out of our workout. Let's go! Up next are sit-ups. Now remember, boys and girls, control the movement, especially on the way down, so that you stay safe and you get the most out of the workout. You got this. Scissor kicks, and that's actually going to help us target the lower part of our core. It's a tough one, Home Warrior Nation, but I know you got this. Strong to the finish! Finish strong! Warrior mode, time to overcome this obstacle. Great job, Home Warrior Nation. And now we're going to center ourselves as we breathe and get ready for the rest of our day. One thing left we have to do, boys and girls, as we get ready for the rest of our day. You know what time it is. Celebrate! Boys and girls, was our morning workout routine. So now, come on back, try it again. And remember, you don't have to try to do as many as me, because you're only challenging yourself. If you're gonna do 5 push-ups, do only 5, rest the rest of the time, and then begin the next set. But again, try by yourself, or bring a family and friend over. But either way, just remember, I'm always here so we can stay focused and fit. Before I go, it's time to ask that question. Are you ready to become the fitness champion of your home? Because if you are, then come on, let's get ready. Let's go!